One of the standout stories of the markets in 2025, the participation of the retail investor. Even bigger than we might have thought, according to some new data. Kristina Partsinevelos joins us with more on that. What do we know?
Well, retail traders are just having a breakout year. That's what we know. They're pouring money into markets at nearly double the 5-year average. That's 53% above last year's level. And this according to JP Morgan. So what's working? What are they doing? Well, JP Morgan says the winning play has been buying the dip on major sell-offs. Think the DeepSeek panic in late January or Liberation Day in April when President Trump announced his tariff package. They weren't scared. They actually got in the market. The second strategy, trading ETFs over single stocks. Starting in May, retail investors really pulled back on individual names and steadily rotated into ETFs instead. Third strategy, buying gold. That's why I put gold bug on the screen. They were able to capitalize not only on gold, but silver as well. But that doesn't mean AI isn't important. This week alone, they're still chasing the Mag 7, buying NVIDIA, the top on the list over there, Tesla, Google, Microsoft, while net selling for Meta and Apple. And speaking of individual investors, and please don't feel bad about yourself when I say what's next. More can now claim millionaire status in their 401ks. Fidelity reported 654,000 401k millionaires, the highest on record going back to the early 2000s. T. Rowe Price reports the share of their millionaire accounts has doubled since late 2022. So the little guy is having a big year. And don't worry if you're not included in that mix.
Yeah, leading the way in many respects in this year in the markets, and we'll see what happens next.